Now this is great. However, I think this way of doing, there are some limitations. Because as you can see here, I can't actually add a link where you can link to the node page. For example, for this piece of music, I would like to know something more about this music. You can't actually to create a link because whatever you created, whatever fields you added, is going to be added as part of the anchor link. Alright, so this is not nice. We can try another way, perhaps. If you are interested, let's continue. Let's go to views again. Now this time we're going to clone this views. Alright, clone page. For this music library, just make it as second one. So remember to apply to this page only. Music path, very important, must be unique. Alright, for this one as well. Okay, so menu, correct, applied. Now scroll down here. Now this time format, instead we are using table. Apply to this page only. It's great. Let's scroll down and apply. Now for this path, we don't need anymore. We can remove it. But remember, only apply to this page. So we remove it. Scroll down and take a look. It's great. Now at least we have all these titles here. All the song, all the music titles. Okay. Let's add a label, a header here. It doesn't work. I think again that's because of jQuery version. Alright, so we apply first. I was actually thinking to add a header over here. Alright, so let's go to jQuery version and change it back to 1.7. Let's go configure. As I mentioned many times earlier, it's not uncommon to switch jQuery version by the front end and back end for some situations. Now this is the first time you see, right? I save configuration. Structure, views, back to our views again. Now this time, go to page. So I'll click on this title again. Check it. Yep, it's back. So I put it as title. Apply to this display. Scroll down. Okay, we have a header here. Right, that's good. Okay, let's add a fields. Music. Alright, this time we can add the music here. Apply. And yes, label as a header. Right. Formatter, we can switch to jPlayer. Now we can make a kind for playlist. But the thing is that our field is only limited to one per node, right? So there's no point of doing so. In this case, we are going to use a singer. And again, there are some adjustments here you can do. So we keep it as it is. Let's apply. Now scroll down again, take a look. That's great. So we have a player here. Now let's add a body. Well, a trim maybe. Trim for 200. Or perhaps you summary or trim. Apply. And add one more. And we can make it a link to the node page. Alright, you can choose content, link, apply, and view more. Okay, view more. Right. Apply. Scroll down. Okay, so we have title, we have music player, we have some body about the song, about the music, and we can also go to the to its page to find out more about this piece of music. Alright, as for the filters, it's okay, we can keep it, it's nice. Let's scroll up. Anything missing here? No, not so far. So relationships, there's no need anymore. You can remove it. Okay, great. So let's save it. Now let's go and view the page. Okay, good. What about title? Now when you click on title, it's actually linked also back to its own node, its own page, right? And you can also good. So you can view more clicking here. But for the title, you can remove the link and you can access from here, or you can go without this one also. That's fine. I just want to show you that you can put more details and fields here in a nicer way. Alright, so you can also filter here. Applied. Good. You can also search here. Alright, that's great. You can reset. You want also make it a what they call auto submit view as well. Go back to our edit view down below here. Let's try it out as well. Auto submit and apply to this only. Apply, save it. So as you select, it will automatically submit. Right? Great. Now our last piece of works, I think we'll try to change the template a bit. Alright, you can go to appearance. If you are using Bootstrap 3.1, you can use what they call Bootswatch. Right? I'm using the latest Bootstrap theme. Right? You can use a CDN as well. And I'll switch it to maybe Cerulean. Scroll down and save configuration. Back to the front page. Check it out. Yeah, that looks better. What about music library too? That is good. It looks good as well. Now, if you don't like this one, you can always, the theme, because if you check inspect element, all these are actually HTML, right? HTML5. So you can theme according and style it according to what you want. Like for example, I want to hide all this. There's no point of showing this one, right? So I can actually hide it. So this is, I think this is a JP playlist. So you can display none, right? That look better, even to style a bit more. For example, this height is too. You can reduce the height, and everything inside is actually using absolute. So you can adjust individual to make it slightly higher to reduce this height. It may look better. Now can also, there are lots of things you can play around here. Now under this JP interface, you can even add, if you know CSS3 radius, border radius, give it 20 pixel. I increase it 50. Okay, that's not bad. Now I think that's all for our tutorial today. Hope you enjoy and learn something here. Do remember to subscribe to our channel for more sharing to come. Good day.